Good afternoon, YouTube. A beautiful day out here. Nice sunny blue sky, a few fluffy clouds, and my wisteria is out in full bloom again. This is when it looks the best. This variety blooms and leaves somewhat at the same time. Other varieties don't leaf out until the blooms are finished. But yeah, it's looking really, really nice. So these blooms, they have a little bit of length left, but they're a good size. They probably go for, on average, 30 inches. 3 feet, but it's just tons of blooms in here. And the awesome thing about this is in the evening, these things smell like grape, like candied grape, like grape bubble gum or something. We can be sitting down by the pond, like 50 feet away, and if the wind's blowing just right, we can smell all of this like grape scent, and it's just so sweet. But yeah, I thought I'd bring you along. The camera doesn't do this justice in here. These things are amazing. So I'm under the arbor, and they're just sort of hanging down. They're not quite out as full under the arbor because it's shaded down here, as opposed to the front where we started the video. But millions and millions of blooms. Here's the tag for this guy. We have got that one there. It says up to 6 foot blooms, but so far I haven't seen that. But I don't use superphosphate, so maybe that's my problem. Another look from the front. And yeah, there it is, coming back into focus again. Just gorgeous. So really this thing, it grows extremely quickly, and 2 or 3 times a year we have to hack it back. We don't hack anything back this time of year, but all of these sort of things, these branches like that, need to come off several times a year, or else it like heads into the bamboo. And so we try to keep it contained and cut it right back as much as we can. All of these ones are already new this year. Grows pretty quick, but I don't know, I think this display is so awesome, it's worth it. It's a lot of work, not right now, but just keeping it trimmed, it's a lot of work, and yeah, but it's just amazing. So anyways, that is my wisteria update for the year. Looking good, looking great. Let's go under one more time. Yeah, there's so many thousands of blooms, the camera just like can't even distinguish hardly between them. Just gorgeous. Up, up, up into the blooms. You're way above my head. I'm just holding the camera up there. Maybe it's going to be blurry, but it could be a wicked view for you. I seen this video of this wisteria tunnel in Japan, and it just looked amazing. They had all kinds of different colors and that. So a cool thing to look up, like a wisteria tunnel in Japan. I think it was Japan anyways. But anyways, I hope you like this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.